Okay, YouTube, this is the aftermath of the storm. The video I showed you before was done before I went to work. This is what it looks like now. They say we only got about 8 inches, but I think we got a little bit more than that. It's freezing cold out here. We're not going to church tomorrow because it's going to be too damn slick to go up there. But yeah, this is what it looks like now. The roads are complete shit. So I would not advise driving anywhere. Don't do it. I'm going to go back in now. Anyways, one last look at the snowdrifts. That's what it looks like outside here. This is right outside the studios. So yeah, this is bad. Go through the hallway here. This is out on the south side of the building here. This hasn't been touched. This is okay. Right here is pavement. You can't tell because it's too dark. But this is out the south side of the building here. What it looks like. I would walk through the snow, but I've only got shoes on. I don't have socks on, so the snow would be freezing fucking cold. Yeah, we're not doing that. I'm gonna go back inside now.